In today's video installment, Josh is demonstrating the proper procedures to grind and seal a concrete floor, which is often chosen to give the look and feel of natural concrete, however includes the resiliency of a coating. While the brand and composition of sealers may vary, this is a good alternative to a basic polish or oblique coating. The first step, and arguably the most critical, is surface preparation by diamond grinding. A STI PrepMaster grinder is utilized to deglaze the previously polished surface. Once ground, the surface is vacuumed 3 times to remove all the fine grinding dust. The next step is an application of a water-based epoxy. The epoxy does a good job to act as a primer and darken the slab. Once the water-based epoxy is dry, a solvent-based urethane is applied to act as a satin gloss protective layer. This coating protects the floor from chemical or abrasive attack. Once cured, the floor is ready for use. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this segment of the BMD Learning Series. Again, we invite you to subscribe to the BMD YouTube channel, and don't forget to click that bell icon to be notified when we post a new video.